Hi ladies, I just wanted to say hi and give you some information on doing some different crafts that might help you as we get closer to the holiday season, maybe making little gifts for people or just letting people know how much you care. These are just little homemade gifts that I like to do, I like to craft. So I just want to get started. First thing we're going to make coasters or paperweights or anything like that you can use on a desktop, and we're just going to work through it. So just to explain, I grew up in the 60s and the early 70s, and Mod Podge and decoupaging was a big thing at the time, and it has never gotten out of my blood. So what we're going to do is I'm going to tell you the items we need, and then I'm going to show you how we're done. So what I did first, I went and bought tiles at Home Depot, just plain little ones that were flat, not the glossy ones. That's our base. Then I found a saying that I might like and might put something on and share. So I printed up a saying like this. I like to use the regular computer paper because it's softer and it's more absorbent. Then you're going to need my Mod Podge, which is a go-to, and then a brush of any kind. I use a sponge brush, and then these are just little pads you can put on the bottom. Hi, it's me again, bringing up my decoupage memories. So what we're going to do now is have some different bottles that I like, and I'm going to do like a message in the bottle, and we can fill it with anything. You can fill it just with memories to give somebody. So this one we're going to fill with some scented pine and some berries, and then have a message on the outside. We're going to decoupage the message on it, and then just complete it off with some garland. So that's what we're going to work on now. Okay, so now I'm just going to show again another version of my decoupaging. Now you can use any kind of bottles. You can use jelly jars. You can use, this is from just a vitamin pill or something like that. So this is just another little ideas of where...
Hold on, we had some nature partake. Okay. This is the beauty of things that we do. Okay, continue.
Continue. Okay, again, with my Mod Podge, I'm going to, paint the bottle and put a little message on it, which is just Merry Christmas. Okay, let that set a little bit. Just wanted to let you know I did pre-glitter the pine cone and the ferns that I'm going to put in there. I also hot glued, which hot glue is your friend, hot glue or gun, before we get going on that. So I'm going to put this on. I'm going to cover it again with the Mod Podge just so that it has a clear coat. You want to make sure you get the edges. All right. Okay, and now this one, we're going to put in the pre-glittered pine, a couple pieces in, and a pine cone. It's going to need a little pressure to put it in. Boop. Boop. Okay. The other thing we decided to add to it was just a little message. You can write anything on it, just I love you, best wishes. We're going to put that in there. So, like a message in a bottle. Here's our top. Okay, and then as a topper, we're just going to glue on a little pine cone. And again, just always to keep on checking that this is a good seal and that they're keeping. All right, and we'll take a look and see what it looks like later.